Filmora. This is the RMR Productions again, and I'm gonna do an unboxing and a review of a new product that I buy. So there is no sponsor of this video, and this is just the money that I have, my own money that I buy, because um, not too much subscribers in my channel, and also I have to work hard to have the highest subscribers that I have, so that tech company and gear company will sponsor my channel to make a video of the products. So that's why I work hard for making tech tech and gadgets videos, and also gears videos, electrical tech videos, and so on. So guys, this is the RMR Productions, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can click the notification bell below to notify all of my upcoming videos. So guys, let's start the unboxing and reviewing of my new tech product that I buy. Okay. Okay, this is the new the new tech that I buy. So this is the look at this. This is the Selfie Ring Light with Lazypod. So this is it, the ring light. So this is a universal phone stand with selfie ring light, three light modes to choose from, and adjustable to any angle, and USB port compatible for easy use. So here is the quick specs of the product. So this is the quick specs of the product. So see it for yourself. So there's the 12, I think 12 watts. The power is the 12 watts. So uh, and also the size of 680 by 110 millimeter. Material is metal, light color, warm daylight combination, and input of DC 5 volt and power line of 1.4 meters. So it's not just clear, it's blurry. So let's start it up, guys. So let's take it out. So this is the product. So as you can see, there's a clip on it. So let's take this out. So how to take it? So let's have to take the ring light. Okay, there you have it. Oh, how to take this off? So there's a wire. There is a wire on the ring light, and I can't take it. There's a wire on the ring light. So let's just stay that up. So this is this arm is a flexible, so you can use it like that. And then this the ring light. So let's start um, make up this up. So here we can put the here we can put the ring light over here, and also let's put this cell phone bracket. So let's put this phone bracket over here, and like that. And also you can put the you can put this over here, and wow, okay, this is much better. I just make a DIY on it, so I think this looks good. I think this is much better on it, so I just make a DIY how to manage it. So there you have it. So if you there's on it, so there's a plug on it. So let's try to plug this up. So let's try to plug this up so that you can I think there's the button, so let's try. So that is, guys, so this is the first mode, and we can make it light it up, and also there is another color on it if you want to have another color. So this is the bright one. So if you want to make it dim, so like at that, and if you want to make it bright, like it that. So there you have it. So this is the review and unboxing. So let's try to take this out. So if you don't want to put the on it, so you can just have it like that. So in every angle, so because the arm, or what is the so called, it can flexible. So this is the unboxing and reviewing. So this is the part of the unboxing, there also the review, and then there it is, guys. This is the unboxing and reviewing of my, what is this, Selfie Ring Light with Lazypod. So this only cost at 299 pesos here in the country, Philippines, and the original price is 599, so which is 600 with, and now it discounted to 299, 300 pesos. So I just put the price on it. I will just put the price on it, and also I would press it in to convert it into US dollars. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. That was the part of my unboxing, is the review also of the selfie ring light with Lazypod. So this is the Lazypod on it, as you can see. This is the Lazypod. So, and also the ring light, which can rotate it. So this is good for vlogging. So for those who have been for those who want to begin with vlogging, so have this product. And also I hope you enjoy watching my videos. I also hope you enjoy watching my videos, and also thank you so much for watching. This is the unboxing and reviewing with a Selfie Ring Light with Lazypod. So guys, this is the RM Productions. My name is Randall. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again on my next video.